trimming on the body. The suspect was last heard from in Garland, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Garland Police Department at 972-485-4840. News media point of contact is Garland Police Department at 972-485-4840.